What's good everyone, my name is bboy and today in Footwork Tips and Variations we're gonna speak about minimalistic steps. Yes, exactly, minimalistic steps, small steps that might be not visible separately, but inside of the combination they're adding extra layers, extra details, and that makes your breaking more fulfilled with the story and with the essence. And on top of that, working with the minimalistic steps, developing your coordination, your body control. That gives you so much new opportunities that once you're gonna work with these steps, you're gonna open new dimension for your breaking. Check the structure of today's combination. 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, let's try to learn this combo. We're gonna start to the right side with the right leg, step to the side. Actually, the first step is kinda a jump to the side. So we're not just putting the leg here. We're jumping and we're changing the hands in the moment of the jump. Some people might do it straight away, others might work a little bit, but the idea is that in the moment when you're jumping and making a step, you're changing your hands and you're releasing the left leg and keep it in the air, because the next step that we're doing is stepping on the knee behind the right leg. So once you were able to accomplish this, the next one is a small sweep that is coming from the knee under the right leg. And from here, straight away, we're going to the underknee hook to get up. Once you're here, we want to come back. We release the hook and the left leg in front, ready to make the sweep back. Right, you see every step is very small but sharp. From here, the next what we want to do is to make the hook under the right knee and to change the side, keeping the hook. And from this one, we're adding a small sweep with the right leg under the left leg. Still sitting on the knee, on the right knee, and putting our body weight on the right hand. From here, we're changing our knees, changing our hands, and here is the final part of the combo. Back to the inside hook and landing to the basic in your face hook position. That's it for today. Just a quick reminder, when you're gonna work with this combination or similar combinations, make sure that you're focusing on the sharpness of each step and cleanliness of each step. Each small minimalistic step must be visible. Other way, such combinations doesn't make sense. See you in the next tutorials.